Hey everybody, today we're going to teach you how to clean a squirrel. I think this would go for a gray squirrel or a big bushy-tailed fox squirrel like the one we have here. So come along with me and I'm going to skin this squirrel and teach you something today. Here's the tools that I have. A pair of side cutters and a good sharp knife. And I always carry a rag with me to wipe my hands with when I'm done too. So come along, let's see how I skin a squirrel. To skin a squirrel, I actually cut his tail off first. You cut right down through the bone. And we're going to pop his tail loose from his back and the meat that's associated with it, and then pull it. You slide him down just a little bit. Stay tight to the meat. We're trying to keep the hair off of him because we're going to eat this squirrel. Slide that down both sides about like that right there. So that's what you got. Okay? Maybe just a little bit further on this side. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put that under our foot. Okay, you got him by the back legs. Step on that tail and gently pull him up. And he's going to come apart like that. Pull him right out. And here you get your finger underneath this skin back here. It's the easiest to do it when they're warm. And bring his back legs right out of there too. Got just a little hair on him. Try to keep that hair off of him. Pull him just a little bit more, his front legs will come out. We did head shoot this squirrel, so he's going to be really nice and clean. Pull his legs out, and that's where my side cutters come in. I'm going to cut off his front feet. I'm going to use my knife around his head just a little bit. Use the side cutters again there on his neck. We're going to side cutter off his back legs. There, he's totally skinned, and then let's take his insides out. Just slide your knife in back there in the back. Open him up. Right through his rib cage. Right through his pelvis. Kind of split him open. Just like you're gutting anything. Get it all. Kidneys, heart and lungs. Done deal. Squirrel. That's how you clean a squirrel for the crock pot. Thanks for watching, everybody.